The intervals: the perfect unison, first, the perfect octave, eighth. In total, there are 8 intervals. Today I want to introduce you to 2. This and much more after this short intro. When we look at the piano keyboard from C to C, there are in total 8 keynotes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The perfect unison, first, is played on the first keynote. That is why the shortcut number 1. The last interval, the perfect octave, eighth, is connected to the last keynote. That's why the number 8. The first interval, perfect unison, is nothing else than the same note is played 2 times at the same register. In fact, we hear only one tone. As example, or this one. This is also in unison. Remember, it's always the same tone played 2 times. Let's listen now which song starts with a unison. And did you recognize it? Yes, correct! It's Jingle Bells. Jingle Bells starts with the perfect unison. The 8th interval, the perfect octave, is when you use the same note but on one register up. As example, this is an octave. This is also an octave. You can use also different keynotes. As long you play the same notes, this or this, that's also an octave. Okay, let's listen now which song starts with an octave. And Somewhere Over the Rainbow, a famous song from the old movie The Wizard from Oz.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
And now it's your turn. Follow the exercises. To enjoy the full access, sign up for the course and get the books now. See you there!